Just kidding. Austin likes burgers, and there's a burger place right there. That's Austin. It's our second week in New York. We're gonna pick up some stuff that we need for our apartment. We're at Target now. You can see the brick wall inside, do you see? We're picking up our hangers now, and we just bought this for Valentine's Day. This is the same camera we use. Stopped by the Asian market again. Yay, and we're getting tofu. Tofu's definitely because it's cheaper.
Yeah,
we're getting more dumplings, and we found some bok choy. Okay, I want soup first. Give me.
I think the rice is actually really
so
good.
good.
It's surprisingly good. We
Yeah,
never had
I chose it. Excited? It's gonna snow tonight.
It's a winter wonderland.
That's what I was saying. It's gonna get so white again. Everything's white again. It's like 1 a.m. right now. I heard something. I was like, oh, what is that? And it's the snowplow truck. It's already coming. Oh my god, it's all snowy.
Oh my
the fire escape.
Whoa.
Yeah, and all the cars are going by.
That guy's salting the sidewalk.
Oh my god,
The
someone's already
sidewalk's
salting the
It's going
snow.
back. Gotta salt it again. Look, he's getting all the sidewalk. Oh my god,
so
look,
late.
you can see it.
We're trying to figure out how to turn on this heater. It's cold. It's like 20 degrees.
I have mittens.
It's still snowing. It snowed all day yesterday. It's still snowing right now. Oh, snowflakes everywhere.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So snowy. Oh, mini snowman. Oh.
No.
Yay! Oh, it's so cute. Wow. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh, so we have gone?
No?
Wow, it's like our Boston trip again.
Yeah, I remember all this ago.
Vodka. Wow, the bag's so cute.
That's why. It's for 5 cents.
We just went to this American First Liquors and we just got some vodka so we can make jello shots.
Yeah.
Your shirt's inside out, babe.
You didn't see anything.
It's inside out.
Damn it.
Right now we're gonna go and do the laundry downstairs for the first time. It's very full now. We have tons of clothes that we need to wash. Okay, let's take it off. We just got this hook thing, so convenient.
That so easy.
Here we are. Here's our laundry detergent. We got it on sale from Amazon for like $3. And it ends up here. Oh, so convenient.
Oh. It's like half a cup full or something. Yeah.
We're watching Groundhog Day on Groundhog Day. I can't believe it's a real groundhog. So cute. Baby, I'm recording here.
Oh man.
So we are gonna make our jello shots now. We've never made jello shots, and we've never even had jello shots. Have you?
No, actually.
Let's try the blue one.
Ooh, okay.
Here are some recipes I found.
Your first class though in terms of.
I lost my driving pass in 56.
No, I don't think so. It's a lot. Half cup of vodka. In a small bowl, combine the liquor and cold water. 1 cup of boiling water. Oh, so blue, it matches the fire.
Yeah.
Wow, it's like a blue lagoon. Tofu, move over. Oh no, Smirnoff. Wow, our jello is done. Ooh. It's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, try it. It's so good, it just tastes like jello. So now we're gonna check out Central Park today. I'm wearing green for Central Park. It's probably gonna be all white though because it's all snowy. Wow, we made it. We're at Central Park. There it is.
So pretty.
So nice. He's alive. Look at that tree's all frosty. This is the lake here and it's frozen. Oh, it's prettier. You see the water still flowing over there.
So nice.
We're at Gapstow Bridge.
Yeah, I finally made it.
Quack, quack, quack. He's just chilling here. People are sledding on this hill. So cute. It's like our big bear. There's so many snowmen here. Do you think they play together at night? It's nighttime now, so everything's glowing. Hello, so today is, I don't know what day it is.
That's Thursday.
Today we're gonna go to Roosevelt Island. We're actually really close to the Roosevelt Island tram. So it goes across the bridge from this side over to the island. We're gonna try to ride it today. Get some nice views of New York now that it's all covered in snow. Okay, we're already at the entrance after a 3-minute walk. That felt like 2 minutes.
I know, I just felt like we walked outside. So easy.
We just got out, yeah. It's R.I. Roosevelt Island now.
Yeah, we just landed.
And I have a fun fact.
What is it?
The Roosevelt tramway was in Spiderman, the original one.
Oh, really?
There's a scene with the Roosevelt Island tram when they're about to fall. And then Spider-Man comes to save them.
Oh my god, so scary. I'm scared
That's
now.
why when I was on the tram and it got really high, I was so scared. I was like, can you believe so casual? Oh, this is like the oldest transport in New York or something.
Really?
Yeah. Look at the little tram. See, it's going on this side of the island. We were over there last time. Did you get scared at any point?
Not really.
What about when we're going down? That was a little scary.
That was pretty smooth though.
Wow, look, we're at Cornell now. It's open to the public.
Yes.
It's so snowy. There's everyone sledding.
so cute.
So this side is Brooklyn, over there. Right now we're in Roosevelt Island. That side is Manhattan.
This is like the only good weather we're gonna have for a while, so...
Yeah, it's nice and sunny and the snow's still out. It's gonna melt probably in a few days.
Yeah.
Okay, we are at Battery Park right now.
Oh, it's so snowy still.
And then we're gonna go to Stone Street later, which is an old cobblestone street.
Squirrel's so cute. Hi, squirrel.
Look at that cool chair. It's like we're in Ireland now. Oh, the street is so lively, so crowded.
Okay, so we're here at the Stone Street down in Lower Manhattan. It's really lively. There's a bunch of tents here.
The whole street is full of outdoor dining.
Yeah, because indoor dining is still closed, so everyone has to eat out here.
Now we're on Wall Street. Trump building. You love it?
Yes. So we're here at the New York Stock Exchange.
We're at the TJ Maxx at Wall Street. It is. It looks bigger already. Wow. Ew, it's been ugly. Mine's an ad. Mine's a Star Trek metrocard.
Oh, well, good enough. Where'd she go? So that's what she's doing. Hello? Hi. Baby? So cute. Baby.
Baby, what are you doing?
Hi.
Talking to her so
Oh.
Give her treats now. Baby's for snow. Oh, she's scared. She's like a baby. Wow, remember the song, babe?
Yeah, that was like 10 years ago.
Baby's a star boy. Star cat. Star cat. Look at my score is so much more than yours. Yay! I win so hard. Wow! That was my turn just now. I just went and bang, I won. I didn't even know what happened. I thought it exploded.